Welcome back to GT Auto 2025, the Acura Integra. This car has returned to the market with a blend of nostalgia and modern technology. The 2025 Acura Integra brings back the spirit of its iconic roots while incorporating sleek, contemporary elements. Up front, we see Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille that gives the Integra an assertive look, framed by sleek LED headlights with sharp lines that enhance its futuristic appeal. The flowing lines along the sides of the car, accentuated by a subtle rear spoiler, contribute to a sense of movement even when the car is stationary. Under the hood, the 2025 Acura Integra comes with two engine options, depending on the trim level. The base model comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which produces around 200 horsepower. This engine provides a healthy dose of power, making it feel responsive whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. However, if you're looking for something a bit more performance-oriented, the sportier A-Spec trim features the same 1.5-liter turbocharged engine but paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2025 Integra embraces luxury with its thoughtfully designed cabin. The materials used are top-notch, with soft-touch plastics and premium upholstery, offering a modern yet comfortable atmosphere. Acura also emphasizes user-friendly tech, with a high-resolution infotainment display that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive, and the optional premium audio system ensures that your music sounds fantastic. The design is sharp yet elegant, with a sportier, more aggressive stance compared to its predecessors. As for the wheels, the 2025 model comes with striking multi-spoke alloys, which add a touch of elegance while ensuring solid grip on the road. The overall vibe inside the Integra is one of sophistication mixed with sportiness. It's clear that Acura has put effort into making this car enjoyable for both daily driving and spirited weekend drives. The Integra also offers a CVT transmission that delivers smooth gear transitions. The handling of the 2025 Integra is where it truly shines. When it comes to safety and driver assistance features, the 2025 Acura Integra doesn't disappoint. The 2025 Acura Integra starts at around $30,000 for the base trim, which offers a great balance of performance, technology, and comfort. The A-Spec trim, which adds more sporty features and a more engaging driving experience, starts at about $33,000. The higher trims, which include additional luxury features and performance upgrades, can go up to $35,000 or more. In conclusion, the 2025 Acura Integra is an exciting return for a beloved nameplate. What do you think of the 2025 Acura Integra? Let us know in the comments below.